Morning. This is Kris and Chaps. So this kind of breakfast we'll be using lemon, tangerine, and some honey, and then also we'll be using some hot water. So first of all, you take tangerine, you cut a piece of it. You cut it into small pieces. Yeah, small pieces like this. Put them inside the cup. It's nduma. Nduma is an arrowroot, and it's also known as Colocasia esculenta. Damn, that's Nduma. It's also known as Colocasia esculenta, the scientific word for it. Nduma is an arrowroot, and it's called Nduma among the Kalenjin and the Gikuyu people. It's mostly found in the Rift Valley province. Mandazi is a Swahili bun, or rather Swahili coconut donut. You can also call it mahamri. It is a form of fine bread that originates. Next, we have the pancake. It's a thin, flat cake. It's fried on both sides in a pan, and we use oil. And yeah, you can add sugar in it if you want. It's similar to the waffle and the drop scone. The next breakfast I have here is the toasted bread. You want a toasted bread, you apply margarine on both sides. Then you can use the pan, or you can use a toaster if you have. Then my egg, I cook egg on one side. I call it the sunny side up. Yep. Then lastly but not least, I have the avocado bread, margarine, and the sweet potato. Sweet potato in Swahili is called viazi tamu. It's also in the group of the arrowroots. The scientific word for it is convolvulaceae. What? Yeah, it's very sweet. It's sweeter than nduma. So that's another type of breakfast you can have in Kenya. Enjoy.
Good morning, everyone. I am going to eat breakfast, and I'm really excited to show you what I'm going to eat. It is going to be a really typical Dutch breakfast. This is the ingredients that I'm going to use today. The toppings for my bread, rooibos tea, and 2 slices of brown bread. Most Dutch people eat bread in the morning. Of course, you can eat bread with cheese. And if you do like cheese, and if you do eat cheese, then know that the Netherlands is really the best place to get cheese, because I have tried cheese in different other countries, and our cheese is really, really the best. Then the other thing that you can eat, which I don't have, is jam. The really sweet fruit spread that you can put on your bread. I don't like it. Nobody ever liked it in my family, so we never really had it at home, but I do know people eat it. And then there's the other things. Of course, peanut butter. I think even everyone in the world knows peanut butter, right? The other thing is chocolate paste. This is a white and brown colored chocolate paste. This is actually not the real brand, because the real brand of who really makes the double colored chocolate paste is called Duo Penotti, and it's famous here. Although I think maybe in your country or wherever you live, you might probably know Nutella best. And I think I have found Nutella in even the smallest shop in Indonesia. So I think Nutella is really the most famous in the world, but Duo Penotti might be the most famous brand here. And then another interesting one is chocolate sprinkles. And we really have dark chocolate sprinkles, brown ones, white ones, combination of ones, colored ones. You name it, we have it. And it's really, really popular. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put everything on my bread. Just a quick notion here. I think most people also use butter, so they put butter on the bread first and then peanut butter or something, but for me I don't like butter, so I'm not going to do that. Yeah, I'll see you in the next breakfast on the next morning, but for now, let me eat. morning, everyone. Welcome to another breakfast. Today I'm going to have my favorite breakfast, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. These are the ingredients. I'm having granola, and this is also my favorite granola because it has chunks of dried tropical fruits, which are really good. And then I have yogurt. Of course, I'm going to drink my rooibos tea, and I'm having strawberries, grapes, and raspberries in my yogurt. And the strawberries are Dutch strawberries, and they are really sweet, and they are the best strawberries in the whole wide world. I would say that I think a lot of people do eat yogurt in the morning. But some do eat only granola with yogurt, some do eat only yogurt with fruits, and I do all three of them. I would say after bread, this is probably the most common breakfast in the Netherlands.